to Fun Book.
Welcome, young explorers, to Veggie Voyage. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of vegetables. Let's start our adventure with a vegetable that's often mistaken for a fruit, the tomato. Did you know that tomatoes are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants? They come in various colors, sizes, and shapes. Some tomatoes are big and round, whilst others are small and cherry-like. Next up, we have chili peppers. These fiery little vegetables come in all sorts of heat levels. The spiciest of chili pepper is measured on a Scoville scale. Can it handle the heat? Bell peppers, unlike chili peppers, are sweet and crunchy. They come in vibrant colors like red, yellow, and green. Bell peppers are rich in vitamins A and C, making them a healthy addition to any meal. The humble onion. Did you know that onions can make you cry? That's because they release a gas that irritates your eyes. But don't let that stop you from enjoying their delicious flavor. Beetroot is not only beautiful with its deep purple hue, but also incredibly nutritious. It's packed with essential nutrients like folate, manganese, and potassium. Plus, it can add a vibrant pop of color to your salads. Eggplants, also known as aubergines, come in various shapes and colors. They're rich in fiber and antioxidants, making them a great addition to your diet. Fun fact, eggplants belong to the nightshade family, just like tomatoes and chili peppers. Popeye's favorite, spinach. This leafy green is loaded with iron and other essential nutrients. Eating spinach can help make your bones strong and muscles mighty. Cabbage may not be the most glamorous vegetable, but it's certainly versatile. From coleslaws to stir-fries, cabbage can be used in various dishes. Plus, it's packed with vitamin K and fiber, keeping your digestive system happy. Discover the fun of celery. Crunchy and refreshing, celery is packed with vitamins. Try it with peanut butter or watch it change colors in a cool experiment. Broccoli, often dubbed as a superfood, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Also known for its tree-like appearance and crunchy texture. Who knew eating trees could be so delicious? Peas may be tiny, but they're mighty. These little green gems are rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins. Whether fresh or frozen, peas add a burst of sweetness to any dish. Cauliflower, the chameleon of vegetables. It can be transformed into rice, pizza crust, or even buffalo wings. Despite its pale appearance, cauliflower is rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritious choice. Garlic isn't just for keeping the vampires away. It's also incredibly flavorful and nutritious. It's packed with sulfur compounds that have various health benefits, including boosting the immune system and reducing the risk of heart disease. Mushrooms come in all shapes, sizes, and flavors, from button mushrooms to shiitake. These fungi are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients like vitamin D and antioxidants. Just remember, never pick wild mushrooms unless you're an expert. Potatoes are staple food in many cuisines around the world. They're packed with energy-giving carbohydrates and vitamin C. Whether mashed, fried, or baked, potatoes are always a crowd pleaser. Pumpkins aren't just for carving on Halloween. They're also incredibly nutritious. They're packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Plus, pumpkin seeds make a tasty and nutritious snack. Carrots are crunchy, sweet, and packed with beta-carotene, which is excellent for our eyesight. Did you know that the orange color of carrots wasn't always the norm? They used to come in various colors like purple, red, and white. Butternut squash, with its sweet and nutty flavor, is a favorite in many autumn dishes. It's rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber, making it a nutritious addition to soups, stews, and salads. Corn, also known as maize, has been a staple food for thousands of years. It's not only delicious but also rich in fiber and antioxidants. Whether on a cob or popped, corn is a versatile and tasty treat. And last but not least, we have zucchini. The versatile vegetable is low in carbohydrates but high in nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can grill it, roast it, or spiralize it into noodles. Well, explorers, that includes our Veggie Voyage. We hope you've learned some fun facts about these amazing vegetables. Remember, eating a rainbow of vegetables is the key to a healthy and happy life. Until next time, happy exploring.